Hello everyone. Question is a company built a deep learning model for object detection and deployed the model to production. Which AI process occurs when the model analyzes a new image to identify objects? Option A training, option B inference, option C model deployment, option D bias correction. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company is using Amazon SageMaker Studio notebooks to build and train ML models. The company stores the data in an Amazon S3 bucket. The company needs to manage the flow of data from Amazon S3 to SageMaker Studio notebooks. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A use Amazon Inspector to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option B use Amazon Messi to monitor SageMaker Studio. Option C configure SageMaker to use a VPC with an S3 endpoint. Option D configure SageMaker to use S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company is using domain specific models. The company wants to avoid creating new models from the beginning. The company instead wants to adopt pre-trained models to create models for new related tasks. Which ML strategy meets this requirement? Option A increase the number of epochs. Option B use transfer learning. Option C decrease the number of epochs. Option D use unsupervised learning. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company wants to use AI to protect its application from threats. The AI solution needs to check if an IP address is from a suspicious source. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A build a speech recognition system. Option B create a natural language processing NLP named Entity Recognition System. Option C develop an anomaly detection system. Option D create a fraud forecasting system. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company wants to use a large language model LLM to develop a conversational agent. The company needs to prevent the LLM from being manipulated with common prompt engineering techniques to perform undesirable actions or expose sensitive information. Which action will reduce these risks? Option A create a prompt template that teaches the LLM to detect attack patterns. Option B increase the temperature parameter on invocation requests to the LLM. Option C avoid using LLMs that are not listed in Amazon SageMaker. Option D decrease the number of input tokens on invocations of the LLM. Correct answer is option A. Question is a company is developing a new model to predict the prices of specific items. The model performed well on training dataset. When the company deployed the model to production, the model's performance decreased significantly. What should the company do to mitigate this problem? Option A reduce the volume of data that is used in training. Option B add hyperparameters to the model. Option C increase the volumes of data that is used in training. Option D increase the model training time. Correct answer is option C. Question is a company wants to create a chatbot by using a foundation model FM on Amazon Bedrock. The FM needs to access encrypted data that is stored in an Amazon S3 bucket. The data is encrypted with Amazon S3 managed keys SSE S3. The FM encounters a failure when attempting to access the S3 bucket data. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A ensures that the role that Amazon Bedrock assumes has permission to decrypt data with the correct encryption key. Option B set the access permissions for the S3 buckets to allow public access to enable access over the Internet. Option C use prompt engineering techniques to tell the model to look for information in Amazon S3. Option D ensure that the S3 data does not contain sensitive information. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.